So hello everybody, this is Bülent from Colendi. I saw a lot of familiar faces. This is my first time in web browser stage alone without Arda, so it's better. So let me start with a Fred Wilson blog post comment. This quote is very touchy for me. I guess we feel very alike in this room. We love technology, we love blockchain, and we want to see the next. And what we want to do with Colendi today, I'm going to share some details with you, is we are trying to create a self-sovereign identity with credit scoring mechanism and a credit marketplace for the rest of the world. What do I mean by that? We saw a problem. There's a trust issue. There's a creditworthiness issue. There is this credit accessibility issue. So for the last decade, all of Colendi founding team members had a track record of fintech companies. We had a couple of successful exits. My co-founder Serkan sold his last endeavor to MasterCard. I happened to sell my company to a French conglomerate, a Czech National Group, and all the team members had fintech startups so far. And what we want to see for the next step is we want to do something big for the global inclusion. And the market is there. We solve the problem. We solve the market. There are 2.5 billion people who need these kind of solutions at the moment. And this is the solution that we are working on for the last 2 years. And we are going to launch an alpha if my CTO, Furkan, is around. He will help you with the alpha. So what we want to do, we have 3 pillars. First one, a self-sovereign identity, Colendi ID, with all the attributes that you have and the stations that you need will be untouched and just for you. We don't need your data. We don't store your data. We won't touch anything about you. Everything will be yours. And the next thing will be a scoring algorithm. This was developed with 1 million users at the moment. And what we have in hand is a very interesting toolkit. You'll see in a couple of weeks at our Telegram channel and our GitHub that we have done something interesting with our partners that we are going to share in a couple of weeks. So the next thing will be the MicroCredit marketplace for the rest of the world, which is going to be very interesting for everyone, I guess, and hope to see we will have a couple of partners from Nigeria, a couple of partners from Latin America, from Indonesia, India, and for sure from Turkey. So we will see a decentralized creditworthiness, credibility, and a microcredit protocol in a couple of weeks, if not days, as an alpha product with limitless scalability, with distributed data, and decentralized platform on Ethereum. So we have a couple of use cases for everyone. Hope to show you everything in the community. And we just started to building our community for the last couple of months, and we saw a lot of traction. People are trying to reach our APIs, protocols, and source code so that they can use and understand what we have in hand. We just have some private deals at the moment, but we are going to make them open for everyone. Hope to solve a couple of these installment shopping, microcredit, or peer-to-peer lending platforms problems, and hope to have you a very interesting product in a couple of months, if not weeks. Thank you for listening to me, and thanks for the Colendi community to support this great product.